We just picked up a new LG French door refrigerator here and ran to an issue, maybe not hopefully. We cannot set the temperature here and it's showing FF here, and I call LG support and they say that something wrong with our fan or the unit. The refrigerator is not leveled, which is kind of puzzle. So I went to Home Depot and yelling at some of their staff because why did they sell me a bad refrigerator? And finally got a hold of the sales lady and she told me, oh, it might be on demo mode. Demo mode. So she told me, you see this FF? Because at the store, they don't want to turn on I guess the compressor to cool the refrigerator. So they put them on demo mode without the temperature setting or the coolness. So, So she told me first to open the left door here and then pressed over here. You can see it. I believe she told me Ice Plus here. Press Ice Plus and refrigerator button for 5 seconds. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Nothing happened yet. So to turn off the demo mode on LG, you want to open the right side door here, okay, not the left side, the right side. And then here you have functions here or control functions here. You have ice type, freezer, refrigerator, ice plus, light, and alarm. You want to press at the same time for 5 seconds ice plus, this one here, and refrigerator here for 5 seconds. So I'm gonna attempt to do that. So basically that is what's showing right now, FF, which means in my case I hope it's showing demo, meaning the refrigerator will not produce coldness. This is when they put this on the floor, they put on the demo so it doesn't get cold, or the freezer will not like getting frosty, whatever. So let me together simultaneously press these two buttons, okay? See what happens. For 5 seconds. Nothing happened yet. Let me try again. Let me try. Here you go. You actually have to press right here. I try to press I plus here, but it doesn't work. So you press on energy saving here. We turn on I plus and then you hold on to this. And as you can see, I have temperature now, 37. Now, to turn on the demo mode, I do the reverse. I do the same thing actually. I'm gonna press the 2 and then watch the screen here. Okay. Oh well. I don't know how to turn it off. I mean turn it back on, but that's okay. Look like it's working. Great. That's how you turn off demo mode. And don't get panic. Do not get panic yet. Now telling you the door's open, I think. I hope it helps. Comment or ask any questions if you don't understand. Basically, you open the right door, you press I would say Ice Plus or Energy Save and refrigerator button at the same time, and the FF code in about 5 seconds you hear the noise. The FF code should disappear, and then you have the actual temperature, and here you can set temperature like 46 or whatever, 45, 44. Okay, I can start from 46 and then come down. Okay, 46 and then it comes down. Okay, I think same with freezer. Minus from 8 to, and then it go down to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, and then go back to 8. So it like rotates. Hope it helps. I also put the new filter in there, and also they have a date stamp there, a sticker where you can put your, I just put it in June. The filter actually pretty expensive, like 46 bucks, you know. So that's how it is right now, and look pretty nice. I probably need to open the refrigerator door for a few hours to get rid of the plastic smell. Actually, this model is came out in 2011, so it's not like new, but it has pretty nice slim space plus, so where you can, if I do it right, open here, that's your ice bin. It's just not big. Close that. Right there. Oh, here you go. Hope it helps. Happy day.